Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. The title of our session for today is talking about meals. So let me ask you, do you like food? Of course you do. Okay, that's great. All right. So let's just go to the learning outcome. So by the end of the session, you will be able to, number one, talk about meals and what they eat daily. Two, use countable and uncountable nouns with some and any. Three, recognize and use new vocabulary related to food and meals. All right? Okay, and by the way, the word daily means every day. Okay, that's so good. So let's just jump into our warm up activity. So I have a small question for you. What do you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Take 1 minute and think about it. Okay, you did? Okay, great. So one of our friends, her name is Sarah, she wants to answer. Sarah says, like, every day she eats for breakfast eggs and toast. For lunch, she eats chicken and rice. And for dinner, she eats eggs. All right, thank you so much, Sarah. All right. So, yeah, right now, you have to go and watch a video for 3 times, and then after coming back, we will answer some questions. But please, before watching the video, I need you to read the question, okay? So, question 1, what food do they have? Question 2, what food don't they have? 3, what does Ali want? 4, does Mariam offer some juice? 5, why does Ali say, I'm hungry? Okay, so yeah, right now you have to go watch the video and then I'll wait for you to answer the questions together. Here you go.
I'm hungry. What's for lunch?
We have some rice and chicken. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Do we have any salad?
No, we don't have any vegetables today, but we have some juice.
Great, I'll take some. I'm hungry. What's for lunch?
We have some rice and chicken. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Do we have any salad?
No, we don't have any vegetables today, but we have some juice.
Great, I'll take some. I'm hungry. What's for lunch?
We have some rice and chicken. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Do we have any salad?
No, we don't have any vegetables today, but we have some juice.
Great, I'll take some.
Welcome back. Okay, so let's answer together. So, question 1, what food do they have? Yes, they have some rice and chicken. Good. All right. So, question 2, what food don't they have? Yes, they don't have any vegetables. Good job. All right. Question 3, what does Ali want? Let's check together. Yes, Ali wants some chicken and rice. Okay. Question 4, does Mariam offer some juice? Yes, she does. Thank you. Last question, why does Ali say I'm hungry? Yes, because he wants to eat the lunch. So he was hungry. He was feeling hungry. He wants to eat. Okay, that's great. Thank you. So now let's just see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, so the first word that we have is meal. Let's pronounce it together and please repeat. Meal, meal, meal. So what does the word meal mean? It simply means when you have, you're going to eat, for example, so you have a meal, it means like a couple of different types of food, like vegetables, meat or chicken, some rice or pasta. This is a meal, like different types of food, you eat them together at the same time. All right? Okay, great. So what kinds of meal do we have? Actually, we have 3 basic main meals. We have the breakfast, okay? Breakfast. You eat breakfast like this is the first meal in the early morning, right? Good job. After that, in the afternoon, you eat your lunch. Lunch. Okay, and in the evening, you eat your dinner. Dinner. Good job. Okay, then you have something called snack. Snack. Okay, snack is something, such a small meal or very light meal. You eat it before the main meals, okay? When you eat something very light, very small, right? Between the three main meals. Okay, after that we have rice. Rice, as you can see here, rice. We have chicken, yummy, yummy. Yes, chicken, all right. We have salad, salad, salad. We have juice, 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 like mango juice, strawberry, orange, whatever you want. Okay, we have bread, 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 and vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Okay, like cucumber, tomatoes, pepper, onions. Yeah, we have a lot of vegetables actually. And the opposite is fruit, fruit, fruit. Yeah, like oranges, strawberry, watermelon, grapes. Yes, fruit. Good job. So yeah, let us go to our first practice. So let's just match the words with the sentences together. So number one, the first meal of the day is called, yes, breakfast, thank you. Well, a light meal between lunch and dinner. Exactly, snack. Good job. A meal usually eaten in the evening. Dinner, good job. Something healthy made with lettuce and tomatoes. Exactly, salad. A food made from wheat, usually eaten with butter. Yes, bread. Well, a drink made from fruits. Juice, good job. A type of grain that's white or brown. Exactly, rice. A protein that comes from a bird. Chicken, good job. Well, things like carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes. Vegetables, thank you so much. Yes, you're doing great. Okay. So yeah, let's just see you in the phonics part. So here in the phonics, let's just focus on the difference between short vowels and long vowels, all right, in food words. So, for example, the long vowel sounds like juice. We have long oo. We have rice, long I, rice. We have long e, meal, all right? On the other hand, we have the short vowel sounds like snack, snack, lunch, lunch, bread, bread. Okay, so please practice them, to get them like easier. All right, so let's just see you in the reading part. Okay, here in the reading, we just have to read a small text and answer a couple of questions. So let's read it together. People around the world eat different meals. In Japan, people eat rice and fish for breakfast. In Mexico, they eat tortillas. Okay, in Mexico, they eat tortillas and beans. Some people in England have eggs and toast. Lunch is different too. In India, people eat curry with rice. In America, many people eat sandwiches. Dinner can be a big meal or a small meal. Some families eat soup and bread. Others have pasta or meat with vegetables. Every country has its own delicious meals. Okay, let's answer the questions together. Number one, what do people eat for breakfast in Japan? Yes, thank you. They eat rice and fish. Good job. Question two, what do people eat for lunch in America? Yes, they eat sandwiches. Well, question three, what do some families eat for dinner? Soup and bread. Thank you so much. You're doing a good job. Thank you. Okay, and yeah, now I'll see you in the grammar part. Our grammar is about using some and any. So, use some in positive sentences. For example, I have some rice. It's a positive one. She has some apples. Also, it's a positive one. And it means more than one. Some, it means like more than one. Well, use any in negative sentences and questions. So, we use some, positive sentence. Any, negative sentences and questions. So, for example, we don't have any milk. like we don't. Well, or in a question, it will be, do you have any vegetables? Okay. Yes, thank you. So let's just jump into our second practice. Here we are. So yeah, simply all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. So number 1, I have bread for breakfast. Some, any, and. So let me make it easier for you. Is it a positive one or a negative one? Positive, yes. So, of course, some. Thank you. Well, question 2. We don't have, yes, any rice for lunch. Thank you. 3. Do you have any juice? Good job. 4. There is fruit on the table. Some fruit on the table. Good job. 5. We don't have any chicken for dinner. Thank you. 6. My mom made salad. Some salad. Okay. Are there snacks? Yes, any snacks. Good job. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And yeah. The last thing is just I want you to speak about your favorite meal. All right. So, of course, you have to use some and any while speaking about your favorite meals. So, for example, you will say, for breakfast, I eat some eggs and some bread. I don't like have any vegetables for lunch, or I like to drink some juice with my meal. Okay. So, speak about your favorite meals. Okay. Using some or any, and of course, the new words. So, let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, that's awesome. Okay, thank you so much for attending the session. This marks the end of our session and see you next session, inshallah. And don't forget to do your homework. Bye.